You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken? I did. And you're about to find out.
A lot more than what I'm going to show
Uh-oh. Hear that? That's the sound of sizzling. Smell that smell. Lava chicken. Steve's lava chicken. Yeah, it's really tasty. Ooh, mamacita, now y'all need a bed. Ooh, super sissy. Got a stack. Ooh, super spicy. It's a lava stack.
In the center of the tower, small structure at the back, meaning stick out under the enormous opening. The child was put in a wicker basket and hoisted up to the ceiling as punishment, and they had to spend the rest of the lesson hanging above the classroom. Now, this was meant to humiliate them and to scare the other children into behaving.
Wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken? I did, and you're about to find out. Uh-oh! Hear that? That's the sound of sizzling. La 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 lava! Chicken, yeah, it's tasty as hell. Ooh, mamacita, now you're ringing the bell. Listen, juicy, now you're having a stack. Ooh, super spicy, it's the lava attack.
I was small business too. The one thing I try to do is not have my jingle stuck.
Never asking me no over and over.